Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding a new feature which has been added in Odoo version 15. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 15, that is Odoo master branch from the Odoo runboot. So the new feature that I am talking about is the progress bar in the import program in Odoo version 15. So you all know that in Odoo version 15 the import program has been revamped and you will be having a new UI for the import program. So along with an importing, Odoo will be showing a progress bar from Odoo version 15. So currently here in the screen you can see the contacts. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be going into the favorites and I will import a sample file into the contacts model. So if I click on import records, and if I click on upload file, here I have a sample file that I have prepared for importing, and if I click on that file, so I'm going to import a file containing around 2.5k contacts. So here you can see that this is the new import screen in Odoo version 15 where you can set the batch limit, like how much in a batch you have to import. Suppose if it is a big file, there is chance to get timeout. So to prevent the timeout, you can import the data in batch limit. So instead of 2000, I'll give the batch limit as 800. You can give 2000, it will work fine. So in order to show the progress bar, I'm giving a small like 800 or 900 I will give. And if you click on import, you can see loading file and you will be showing a progress bar. So if I click on import, you can see you will be getting a progress bar here in the screen. So here you can see there is in total of 2540 contacts that has to be imported, and we are importing by batch. That is, in first batch we will be importing 900 contacts, and in second batch 900, and in third batch 900, and it will get finished. So we are importing as a 3 batch. So here you can see in the importing screen currently it's 0%. So after first batch I think it will be 33%, then 66, and finally it will get 100%. Also during import, if you need to stop, you can use the stop button after processing a batch. So this is a new functionality that has been, or that is expected to be there in Odoo version 15. So here you can see 35% has been completed, and Odoo started processing of the next batch, that is first batch 900 contacts has been processed and imported, and Odoo started importing the next 900 contacts. So like we will be splitting and importing in a 3 batches. So let's wait until the full import has been completed. So we have to wait the 3 batches. So if you need to access the Odoo 15 and to test it, you can simply search Odoo runboot and you can open the master branch and see this functionality. So you can see 70% has been completed, and the final batch is loading currently. So you can see 1800 of 2540 records has been imported, and you can see finally 2541 record successfully imported. So this is the new import progress bar added in Odoo version 15. So that's it for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.